Very good morning to everyone. Today we shall start formula involving multiple angles. Okay. So number one formula is sin y equal to sin a into cos a. That you can also write inverse of tan into tan a by 1 plus tan square. Okay. So let us write the proof for this. How it is coming. So this sin 2a you can write is sin a plus a. Okay. And you know sin a plus b. That compound angle formula you know. What is sin a plus b? Hello. What is sin a plus b? Sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Okay. So this is the formula. Sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay. So now this becomes here a is a and b is a. So sin a cos b. So b is what a? That is cos a plus cos a sin b. So cos a is what? This a sin b is also a. So now this becomes sin a cos a plus sin a cos a. Sin a cos a plus sin a cos a. Okay. So sin a cos a that becomes 2 sin a cos a. Any doubts from anybody? Okay. So now the first one is proved. Okay. You split this 2a as a plus a. Split means break. To break this 2a as a plus a. A plus a is 2a. So it is of the form sin a plus b. Okay. So then you apply sin a plus b. So it is sin a into cos a plus cos a into sin b. Okay. Cos a into sin b. Okay. So now this becomes 2 sin a cos a. Okay. So what portions will complete in trigonometry? So in your test that portion will come, and apart from that also some questions you will get from complex numbers and sets. So then if you express this one in terms of tan, then it is like this. How it is like this? You see, this is 2 sin a into cos a. Here denominator nothing means it is 1. Okay. So this 1 you can write. This 1 you can write cos square a plus sin square. Okay. For this 1 you write cos square a plus sin square. Okay. So now after this dividing cos square a both on numerator and denominator. Okay. So then you write dividing cos square a both on numerator and denominator. Both on numerator and a denominator. Both on numerator and a denominator. We get. Okay. So here you divide cos square a, here also divide cos square a. So that is you can write 2 sin a cos a divided by cos square a. Okay. Whole divided by the denominator is cos square a plus sin square a. So it is by cos square a. Okay. That is divide cos square a both on numerator and denominator. Okay. Everybody clear up to this? Hello. This is here denominator, no denominator means I can write denominator is 1. Okay. And for that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 or cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So for 1 I wrote cos square plus sin square. Now I divide cos square both on numerator and denominator. Okay. So then it is like this. So then you bring it to lowest form. So this becomes 2 sin a. This here is cos a, here is cos square. So it will bring to lowest form. This get cancelled. So here denominator of cos a. Okay. So this will be 2 sin a by cos a. Whole divided by. So this will split. It is cos square by cos square plus sin square by cos square. Okay. So then you will split it means bracket cos square by cos square plus sin square by cos square. Okay. Means this by this plus this by this. So now it is 2 sin a by cos a is what? Tan a whole divided by cos square by cos square is 1 plus sin square by cos square is tan square. Okay. So now it is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square. Everybody clear? Not clear? Okay. This is the first one improved and this is the second one improved. Okay. Second one improved. So any doubts from anybody? Hello. Okay. So reviewing this, formula 1 is over. Let us discuss formula 2. Okay. So this one is sin 2a. So 2 is the multiple angle A. So that's why this is called multiple angle. Okay. So we are discussing formula involving multiple angles. Then you write formula 2. So formula 2 is cos 2a. Okay. Okay, you can also write 1 minus 2 sin square a. You can also write 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay, you see this is your first formula, this is your second formula, and this is your third formula. Okay, any doubts from anybody? Hello, hello, hello. Okay. And in terms of tan, this is equal to 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Okay. So this is your fourth one. Okay. You see, it is fourth formula. This is the basic formula is cos square minus sin square. Okay. And if we express in terms of sin, the second one is like that. Okay. Let us prove it. So just like the previous one, we prove it. So this 2a you write a plus a. So then it will be cos a plus b form. Okay. Okay, let us try to prove. That cos 2a you can write cos a plus a. Okay. So now this cos a plus b. So what is cos a plus b? Yes. Anybody? What is cos a plus b? This is cos a into cos b minus what? Sin a into sin a. Okay, okay. Very good, very good, very good. So here a is a and b is also a. So it will be cos a into cos b. So b is what? A. So it is also cos a. Minus sin a into sin b. So sin a is a into sin b. B is also a. Okay. So now this is cos a. It is cos square a. Sin a it is sin square. So the first formula is proved. First one is proved. Okay. Everybody clear? And this first formula is the basic formula. Basic formula for cos 2, okay? And from this first formula, all these three will be derived, okay? So then how it is coming? If you want to express in terms of sin, what will do? This is sin, so keep it like this. Then express this cos square in terms of sin square. You know cos square is what? 1 minus sin square, isn't it? Hello, my dear students. What is your cos square? 1 minus sin square. So now it is 1 minus sin square, it is minus 2 sin square, okay? So second one is also proved, okay? Second bit also proved. Any doubt from anybody? Okay, very good. Then third one. So let us prove the third one. You see, you know cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square, okay? Because this first one is your basic formula, okay? Which you have already derived here. So if you want to express in terms of cos, you see this one is cos, so keep it like this. Then express this sin square in terms of cos, okay? That means cos square. So you know sin square is equal to what? 1 minus cos square. Sin square is equal to 1 minus cos square. Okay. So now if you open this bracket, this becomes minus 1. This minus becomes plus 1. Okay. Minus 1 plus 1. So now it is cos square plus cos square. It is 2 cos square. Okay. So 2 cos square minus 1. So the third one is also proved. Okay. Everybody clear? Not clear? Hello, my dear students. Then now. Okay, so now the fourth one is what? 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. Similarly, first of all, you write the basic formula. So what is your basic formula? Basic formula is cos 2 is equal to cos square minus sin square. Okay, this you were interested to express in terms of tan. So which will be 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. So here denominator nothing means that is 1. Okay, so no denominator means you can write 1. Okay, then after this, for this 1 we can write cos square a plus sin square. Okay, you can write cos square a plus sin square a. Then after this you divide cos square a both on numerator denominator, then it will be proved. Okay, so now this becomes if you divide cos square a both on numerator denominator, or you write here dividing cos square a both on numerator, dividing cos square a both on numerator and a denominator okay, we get so now see if you divide cos square a both on numerator and denominator, then you can write this one is what? Cos square a by cos square a, okay, plus sin square a by cos square a, okay, that is I am dividing cos square a both on numerator and denominator. Okay. Similarly, denominator is cos square a by cos square a, then plus sin square a by cos square a. Okay. So cos square by cos square that becomes 1. Okay. see this is minus, so it is minus. So please make it minus. It's minus. So now it is 1 minus tan square by cos square is tan square. So 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square. Okay. Because you know cos square get cancelled, sin by cos is tan. Okay. So this one is proved. Okay. This one is proved. That is, this is your fourth bit. So fourth bit is proved. Okay. Fourth bit is proved. So please take it. Okay. Everybody clear? So now formula for cos 2 is over. Let us discuss the formula for tan 3. This is the formula 2. So next to write formula 3. Okay. So what is the formula 3? That is your tan 2. So tan 2 is equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. Okay. So let us prove it. 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Let us prove it. So how can you prove it? You know tan 2A is equal to tan 2A you can write A plus A. Okay. And you know tan A plus B. So what is tan A plus B? That is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay. So that component formula we have already discussed in the previous classes. It is discussed. Okay. So just to recall the first idea, that is tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B whole divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay. So then it is tan A plus tan B means tan A plus tan A whole divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B means tan A into tan B. Okay. So now it is tan A plus tan A you are 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan A into tan A you are tan square. It is 2 tan A by tan square. Okay. So this is your formula 4. Then let us discuss formula 3. Then let us discuss formula 4. Okay. So formula 4 is what? Cot 2A. Okay. Then what is your cot 2A? So cot 2A will be cot square A. It will be cot square A minus 1 divided by 2 cot A. Okay. So this is the fourth formula. So just like the previous one, you can derive this. So now this cot 2A, you can write cot A plus A. Okay. Then it will take the shape of cot A plus B. You know cot A plus B is equal to cot A into cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Okay. So let us split cot 2A as cot A plus A. 2A as A plus A. So now it is of the form cot A plus B. So what is your cot A plus B? This is cot A into cot B minus 1 whole divided by cot B plus cot A. Okay. So this is your formula. Cot A plus B is this one. So now this will be cot A into cot B. Here A is A and B is A. So it will be cot A into cot B means cot A into cot A. Then minus 1 whole divided by cot B plus cot A. B is A. So it is cot A plus cot A. Okay. So now cot A is cot square A minus 1 whole divided by cot A plus cot A into cot A. Okay. So then it is proved. Okay. This one is proved. So this is your formula 4. So formula 4 is proved. Okay. Then let us switch over to formula 5. Okay. So now we shall discuss formula 5. Okay. So number 5 formula is 1 plus sin 2A. Okay. So what is 1 plus sin 2A? So this will be sin A plus cos A whole square. Okay. Sin A plus cos A whole square. You can also write cos A plus sin A whole square. You can also write cos A plus sin A whole square. Okay. So this is your number 5 first bit. Then second bit to write 1 minus sin 2A. So what is 1 minus sin 2A? 1 minus sin 2A will be sin A minus cos A whole square. Okay. Or you can also write cos A minus sin A whole square. So this you can write sin A minus cos A whole square. Okay. Or cos A minus sin A whole square. Or cos A minus sin A whole square. Sin A minus cos A whole square. Cos A minus sin A whole square. Then next to write third bit is 1 plus cos 2A. So what is 1 plus cos 2a? So this will be 2 cos square a. 2 cos square a. Then from this cos square a is what? From this cos square a is equal to, okay, so these two divide here, okay. So 1 plus cos 2a by 2, or you can write 1 by 2 whole into 1 plus cos 2a, okay. Then what we do, write 1 minus cos 2a. So 1 minus cos 2a is equal to 2 sin square a. This will be 2 sin square a, okay. Or from this, what is your sin square a? From this, your sin square a is equal to, this 2 divided on the left hand side, so it is 1 by 2 whole into 1 minus cos 2a, okay. This 2 is divided here. So this by 2, you can write half into this, okay. So let us prove all these. So how can you prove it? You see this 1 you can write is sin square a plus cos square a, okay. And sin 2a go to sin a into cos a. Then that will be of the form sin that will be of the form a plus b whole square, okay. Then after that you can do it. So you think for 2 minutes how to prove it, okay. So let us see. Okay, have you taken all these formula? So now we shall prove it. So first bit I am doing proof for first bit, that is number 5 first bit, okay. So that is 1 plus sin 2, okay. So for this 1 you can write cos square plus sin square. You know sin square plus cos square is 1, or cos square plus sin square is 1, okay. And this sin 2 you can write 2 sin a into cos a. 2 sin a into cos a, okay. So now it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it is a plus b whole square, that is sin a plus cos a whole square, okay. Then second bit is what? 1 minus sin 2a. So 1 minus sin 2a, okay. So this we can write 1 is what? Cos square a plus sin square a, okay. This sin 2a you can write it 2 sin a into cos a. So now it is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this will be a minus b whole square, that is cos a minus sin a whole square, okay. Now this is cos a plus sin a whole square. You can also write sin a plus cos a whole square, okay. Or this you can write, you will write first what? For this 1, you will write sin square a plus cos square a, okay. And this sin 2a is what? 2 sin a into cos a. So this is a square plus b square 2ab, so it is a plus b whole square, means sin a plus cos a whole square, okay. And you know a plus b whole square is equal to b plus a whole square. So this you can also write cos a plus sin a whole square, because since a plus b whole square is equal to b plus a whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. What is b plus a whole square? B square plus a square plus 2b. So same thing, okay. And similarly here, this you can write, for this 1 you can write sin square a plus cos square a, okay. And this side 2 you can write 2 sin a into cos a. So now this is a square plus b square minus 2b, so it is a minus b whole square, means sin a minus cos a whole square, okay. And you know a minus b whole square equal to b minus a whole square. So this you can write cos a minus sin a whole square. This you can write cos a minus sin a whole square, okay. So since a minus b whole square is equal to b minus a whole square, so we can write like this, okay. So that is your second bit is proved. Let us switch up to the third bit. So third bit is what? 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2a, that is equal to 2 cos square. For this 1 you write 1, this cos 2a write 2 cos square minus 1, okay. So now this plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, so it is 2 cos square. So 1 1 plus cos 2 is 2 cos square. This is cos 2 formula we have already discussed. Okay, cos 2 has 4 formulas, that is cos square minus sin square. Okay, in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square, in terms of cos 2 cos square minus 1, in terms of tan 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. Okay, so in terms of cos it is 2 cos square minus 1. So that formula I used. Okay, so now cos 1 minus 1 get cancelled, then you are getting this one, means 2 cos square. So from this, what is your cos square? So this is 2, you divide on the left hand side, so this whole by 2, means you can write 1 plus cos 2a by 2, or this you can write half into 1 plus cos 2a. Okay, so now this formula third one is proved. Okay, then come fourth bit. So fourth bit is 1 minus cos 2a. Okay, so what is 1 minus cos 2a? It is 2 sin square. So how can you get this? So for this you can write 1 minus cos 2a expression of sin. So cos 2a in terms of sin is 1 minus 2 sin square. Okay, this is the formula. So now I open this bracket. Okay, cos 2a in terms of sin is this formula, that is 1 minus 2 sin square. Okay, so now if you open the bracket, this is 1 minus 1 is plus. Okay, so it is 2 sin square a. So this plus or minus 1 get cancelled. So now it is 2 sin square a. So 1 minus cos 2 is equal to sin square a. Then from this you can get cos sin square a. So now tell me what is your sin square a? So from this sin square a is equal to this 2 will be divided here. It is 1 minus cos 2a by 2, or you can write it half into 1 minus cos 2a. Half into 1 minus cos 2a. Okay. So sin square a is equal to this one. Okay. You see, if confusing, I am writing here all the formulas for cos 2a. So remember, cos 2a we have already discussed. It has 4 formulas. First one is cos square minus sin square. Then in terms of sin, it is 1 minus 2 sin square. In terms of cos, it is 2 cos square minus 1. Okay. In terms of tan, it is 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. So you have to remember all these formulae. Okay. So here I applied cos 2 is 2 cos square minus 1, because I have to prove 2 cos square, that's why. Okay. And here I applied 1 minus 2 sin square. Okay. Are you clear? So now after this one, that sin square is equal to this by 2, or you can add into this. Okay. So let us stop here. Okay. In the next class we shall discuss the formula involving multiple angle 3a. Okay, today we discuss formula involving for multiple angle 2a. Okay, so in the next class we shall discuss sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a, etc., etc. Okay, thank you all of you.